Okay, my friends, welcome back to the Camry. We find the problem. Let's see. All right, this is the. I got the new parts over here, and the problem was the part was installed on the engine wasn't locked. This one over here is unlocked, so you see the difference between point 1 point 2. That will be ready to install. So you have to be careful, guys, when you work on these kind of engines, because they're the little things they can mess you up. See right there. So we're gonna put everything, the new parts, and we're gonna try again.